Hey there, tech lovers. Today, I've got an incredible product to share with all of you MacBook Pro owners out there. If you're like me, you depend on your laptop for everything: work, entertainment, creativity, you name it. So, it's essential to keep it running at its best, right? That's why I'm so excited to introduce the A1953 Battery for Apple MacBook Pro Retina A1990. This powerful battery is specially designed for the 15-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, released in 2018 and 2019. It's a perfect fit for all A1990 MacBook Pro models, regardless of the version or year. And let me tell you, the difference it makes is truly remarkable. Imagine being able to work, play, and create without the constant fear of your laptop dying on you. With this high-quality replacement battery, you'll enjoy longer battery life, improved performance, and peace of mind knowing that your MacBook Pro will be with you every step of the way. Say goodbye to the frustration of constantly searching for an outlet or lugging around your charger. Say hello to the freedom and flexibility that comes with a reliable, long-lasting battery. I know what you're thinking: how do I know if this is the right battery for my MacBook Pro? Don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're unsure about which battery you need, simply consult the seller before making your purchase. They'll be more than happy to assist you in finding the perfect match for your laptop. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let a dying battery hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards a better MacBook Pro experience by getting your hands on the A1953 Battery for Apple MacBook Pro Retina A1990. Click the link in the description to order yours today and start enjoying the convenience and performance that you and your MacBook Pro deserve. Don't miss out. Upgrade your MacBook Pro with the A1953 battery now. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Happy computing!